Cheap, fast, and incredibly delicious. What more could you ask for? Today I'm going to show you how to make the juiciest, most flavorful chicken drumsticks you've ever eaten. This recipe is simple, budget-friendly, and the results? Absolutely mouth-watering. Whether you're feeding your family, impressing friends, or just craving something delicious for yourself, you'll want to save this one. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more easy and tasty meals. Here's what you'll need. 6 to 8 chicken drumsticks, soy sauce for savory depth, ketchup for tanginess, honey for sweetness and caramelization, a little oil for cooking, garlic for punch, paprika, salt, and black pepper for flavor. And if you like a kick, a pinch of chili flakes. These are everyday ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. That's the beauty of this recipe. It's inexpensive but tastes like something from a restaurant. Marinating the chicken. Let's start with the marinade. In a bowl, combine soy sauce, ketchup, honey, oil, minced garlic, paprika, salt, and pepper. Mix it well until you get a glossy sauce. Add your drumsticks and toss until each piece is coated. You'll notice the marinade clings beautifully to the chicken. Now here's a tip. Let it sit for at least 20 minutes. If you've got time, leave it in the fridge overnight. The longer it rests, the deeper the flavor. Cooking, 2 options. Option A, oven-baked drumsticks. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a tray with parchment paper, place your drumsticks, and bake for 35 to 40 minutes, flipping halfway through. By the end, you'll have sticky, golden drumsticks with a glaze that looks like it came straight from a food commercial. Option B, pan-fried drumsticks. If you don't have an oven, no problem. Heat some oil in a pan, place your drumsticks, and cook them on medium heat for 25 to 30 minutes. Turn them often so they cook evenly and don't burn. The honey will caramelize, the garlic will perfume your kitchen, and the result will be just as irresistible as the oven version. The final touch. Once cooked, sprinkle some fresh parsley or green onions on top for that fresh pop of color and flavor. And just look at that glaze, sticky, shiny, and packed with flavor. These drumsticks aren't just food, they're comfort, joy, and flavor all in one bite. Tasting and serving ideas. Serve these with rice for a quick dinner, with fries for a fun meal, or alongside a fresh salad to balance the richness. And here's the best part. All of this flavor for just a handful of everyday ingredients in less than an hour. Delicious doesn't have to be expensive. So there you have it, the chicken drumstick recipe that's cheap, fast, and unbelievably delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more easy and tasty meals, and let me know in the comments. Do you prefer your chicken baked or pan-fried? Thanks for watching and happy cooking.